So guys, I miss Ashley, Riley, and Carly because I am sorry for I do with them. I'm doing bad things with them. With Ashley, we are it's like an evil. It's like a you think you're even strong. You're strong. I said that with Ashley. So please guys, just like my video. I don't have my videos. So please like my video. But my videos have no likes. But my Instagram. So I'm gonna what is it again? I'm not gonna delete it, but I felt sorry for Riley and Kylie and Ashley. I felt sorry for them because I'm doing a bad things with them. Okay guys, please like my video. I'm begging you all, please. I don't have a life. Please guys. I only have a kid, Joe. And please comment if it's all my video in here right now. So guys, please look at my comment in the comments. So please like my video, okay? So guys, please like my video. I'm begging you. So I felt for sorry with Kylie, Riley, and Ashley because I wanna friends anymore. I want to friends them anymore, and I really remember them. I doing things bad things with them. So guys, please like my video. Please, I'm begging you. I feel sorry for all. So, I have a bad things too. That I comment not the Sigma era. Your what the heck? What not the Sigma? I said that to your account. What is it account? Okay, wherever I say. Please like your video. I beg you. Please guys, okay.